Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a delicious and easy recipe for you, that's paneer cutlets. These crispy and flavorful cutlets are a great appetizer or a snacks. So let's get started and dive into the cooking process. We'll start by soaking the flattened rice, also known as avalaki or poha, in water for 5 minutes and smash them. This gives the binding texture for our cutlets. You can even use the boiled potatoes. Now in a mixing bowl, add in the smashed flattened rice, grated paneer, chopped onions and green chilies. Now let's add in the masalas, that's coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, chili paste. We'll also add 2 to 3 pieces of bread and salt. Mix everything well to create a uniform mixture. Now take a small portion of the mixture and shape it into a cutlet. You can make them any size or shape you prefer. Heat oil in a pan for shallow frying. Make sure it's hot but not smoky. Gently place the cutlets into the hot oil and fry them until they turn golden brown. And there you have it, our delicious paneer cutlets. They are a perfect blend of crispy and flavorful, and the paneer adds the delightful creamy texture. I can't wait to try one of these. They're absolutely amazing. The spiciness and the creaminess of the paneer are a match made in heaven. And that's a wrap for today's recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our delicious recipes. Bye bye.